In today's video, we talk about the new trade-up update and everything you need to know about it. But before we start, quick disclaimer guys, this is not a financial advice, I'm just sharing my own opinion. Also, at the end of this video guys, I'll be announcing the giveaway winner from the last video and I will launch a new giveaway, so guys, stick around for that. Alright guys, let's dive into what's been shaking the entire CS2 community. The knife, the glove, the trade-up update, which we got, sadly. Quick recap of the update. I won't spend too long explaining it, we all know what happened. Valve fucked us. I'm kidding. Valve dropped the gold trade-up feature and the community went crazy. People started doing massive trade-ups, trying to hit that perfect butterfly, emerald or ruby. But while everyone was chasing the dopamine, the market went absolutely wild. And right after the update hit, we saw a full-blown panic zone. People were dumping skins across the board. Not just knives, but also unrelated skins like old operation skins or Armory collection items. It was pure paper hand season, guys. Everyone thought prices would collapse. And for a moment, it looked like that might happen. And guys, I also paper handed. I sold my M9 Fate for a loss. Just my M9, guys. I didn't sell any of my investments because I'm fully confident now for myself. It's just my own investment, guys. And guys, yeah, what's the result? The market confidence dropped. People started questioning whether skins were still a safe investment, but later more about this specific topic. But here's where things getting interesting. Let's look at the real data, guys. This chart shows how many new double knives were added to the market after the update. The total number across all phases and colors is around 7,628. Now that might sound a lot, guys, but considering the size of the CS2 economy, it's honestly not as crazy as the panic suggested. It's nowhere near enough to cause a long-term collapse, guys. And it's similar story with the gloves. This shows us the new sport gloves added since the update around 3,142. Most of them are field tested or well worn, with only a handful of factory new or minimal wear pairs. So yeah guys, the data paints a pretty clear picture. That's the so-called crash wasn't really backed by numbers. It was driven by fear, emotion, and not supply and demand. In my opinion, the drop we saw was emotionally understandable, but didn't make much sense when you look at the numbers afterwards. There just weren't enough new knives or gloves entering the market to justify the drops of the scale. And guys, it was pure panic movement. And I was one of the panic sellers, guys. I was one of the paper hands. I sold my M9 as well. I didn't sell it because I lost the trust in Counter-Strike or in skins. I sold it because I thought, okay, in 7 days, maybe you can buy it for cheaper and make some money. But it won't happen for sure. I'm honestly confident it won't happen. Anyways, guys, so what happens next? Everyone's talking about October 30, when the 7-day trade lock ends and those new items can hit the market. Of course, many items already hit the market because many players had leftover red items where they could do the trade-ups. I mean, sure, it's reasonable to expect some selling pressure, but people often forget how much this market runs on emotions and hype rather than pure data. We've seen it before. Prices skyrocket for no logical reason just because of excitement. If you don't see a big crash on 30th, I won't be surprised to see a small dip followed by a recovery or even a short pump. And guys, this is just my own prediction. So guys, once a player realizes they missed their cheap buy window, FOMO could kick in fast and everyone will rush by a bag to buy before it's too late. And that's why I'm just watching for now. I mean, I sold one M9, but the rest of my investments I kept, and I'm also not buying. I'm just observing right now, because in markets like this, when everyone moves the same way, the opposite usually happens. And for real guys, I wanted to buy a Dragon Law field tested or an M4A4 whole in minimal wear, but I was too scared because I couldn't predict the market and I don't want to do something for FOMO. Again guys, this isn't advice. I mean, I could be totally wrong, of course. This update really showed us that CS2 skins aren't a guaranteed long-term investment. I think we all learned that lesson, that Valve can change the rules at any moment and can flip that entire economy overnight. So guys, spreading your investments, whether that's into skins, stocks, crypto, ETFs or metals, that's just a safer approach. That's what I'm personally doing as well. I'm big invested into gold and crypto and ETFs, guys. I'm doing it for years, and there's only a small portion of my skins of my money is into skins because I know I can't. I know for sure that I don't own these skins. It can happen anything. I can get banned for something stupid, or Valve just decides to ban trading. I mean, it's unlikely that it will happen, but it can happen. So guys, it's just a small advice that you should spread your investments if you're investing. If you don't invest and if it's just your play skins, bro, I'm kind of jealous because that's the best thing. I mean, keep Counter-Strike skins as play skins. Not everything has to be about money, guys. But guys, it's just all about your risk tolerance, so you can do whatever you want. So guys, some of you probably asking, did you get a few hits with this update? Yes, but not major ones. Most of my money was in the Armory collection items, which bounced back fairly quickly, guys. And honestly, I didn't want to make a video about this topic right away. I saw many people lost money and how much panic was spreading, so I decided to wait out before talking about it. I didn't want to fuel panic or push in a specific narrative, you know? And I want to see how things actually sell before sharing my thoughts. Anyways, guys, I played this safe this time. I mean, yeah, I sold the M9, and I didn't sell any of my investments, and I'm glad I did. Alright guys, now as promised, the giveaway winner from the last video, you will see it on the screen. And for this video, I'm doing another giveaway. And all you need to do is like, comment, and subscribe to enter to win this Diner Dog charm. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Will we see another crash on October 30th, or is just all hype? And guys, if you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a like, subscribe, as you have to do anyways if you want to enter this giveaway. Anyways, bye bye.